Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD with PIC microcontroller. For writing this code, we are using Micro C Pro software, and for debugging we will use Proteus. For those who are working on Micro C Pro for the first time and want to make project in Micro C Pro, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code, and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. Now open our software is work on LCD part, then LCD1, then go open project Micro C Pro project. Before explaining the code, go to my blog. In this we are using a 16x2 LCD. 16x2 LCD is there. It is a 16 pin LCD. 16 pins are there. First pin is for ground, second pin is for VCC, third pin is for VEE for the contrast control. For potentiometer, with the help of potentiometer we have to control our contrast of the LCD. RS is a register select, means you have to work on the command part or the data part. Command means you have to initialize your LCD, your clear LCD, your cursor move from starting to end, first line, second line, these are the command. And the data means you have to work for the display part. You have to display for welcome to all, anything. So for command we have to give 0 to this pin. For data you have to give 1 to this pin. R read write, R/W means read write, 0 for write, 1 for read. We have to work on write. For write operation, enable pin go to high to low pulse. Give high to low pulse to the enable pin. Then 8 pin is the data lines, D0 to D7. These are data lines, and these two are the backlight, LED positive and LED negative. And these are the some predefined commands of the LCDs like 0F, 01, clear display screen, return home, decrement cursor, increment cursor, display on, cursor blinking. For when you have to work on line 5x7 matrix, means each block have a 5x7 matrix. You have to, these are the predefined commands. 83, 80 means force cursor to the beginning of first line. 83 means cursor line first, position third. Means each block in the, suppose in 3, these are the 0C for the cursor from moving from the next line, beginning of the next line. C1 means next, second position, third position, fourth position, means C0 to C7. This 16 pin, this type, means this address is 80, 81, 82, 83 up to 8F, C0 to CF, like this. So go to the main program. This is our code. Suppose we have to use one array welcome, and for the command, these are the command 0x38. You have to initialize 5x matrix, then clear display screen, then display on, cursor blinking, increment cursor, your cursor move from beginning of the starting line. Then this is for data purpose, and this is for the command purpose. Before this I am show the Proteus. In Proteus, figure is there, connections are there. D0 to D7 are connected with port B, and RS is connected with PD0, PD1 and PD2. PD0, PD1 and PD2, and this one is connected with RB0. Okay, so port B, some data is there, that data go to the port B. Then after that, command means port D means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Sorry, this one, sorry. 5 times 0, 1, 0, means this is RS, this is RW, this is enable. RS is 0 for the command, RW is also 0 for the write operation, for enable is 1. In the case of this one, we are use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means high to low in the case of 1, and this is for the 0. High to low pulse we have to provide it. Okay, same as in the case of display. In the case of display, this one is for display purpose or data purpose. This is 0 0 0 0 4 5. This one 5 means 1 0 means RS equal to 1 for the data. This RW is 0 for write operation. Enable is 1. Then after that 0 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 8 means only RS pin is 1, high to low pulse. EN is 0 then 1. Okay, in the case of display, RS equal to same command and data same values are there. Only difference is in the case of data RS equal to 1, in the case of command RS equal to 0, otherwise same. After you have to initialize it. Initialize function is there for the command purpose. For using these 5 commands for initialize LCD, we are using 2 port. LCD is the output device. You have to give tris B and tris D is there. Both you have to give 0 for output, 1 for input. So we have to work port B and port D as a output port, then this one. After that, this loop operate 8 times because welcome is of 8 characters are there. Then data array of I equal to 0 means array of AB of 0 means W go to the here and this operated displayed. Then WELCOME like up to 8 times it operated. After that this program terminated. Then built it and file name it LCD1. Then go to the Proteus, double click on the Proteus, then open, then LCD1.hex, then OK. After that run. After it run, welcome. Okay, suppose we have to work on 2 line. This is only 1 line. Suppose you have to work on 2 line. Then you have to use 1 command. For the second line command, our cursor move from starting of the second line. You have to write that is C0. This is our project for second line code. In this, whole program is same. Starting whole program is same. In first line, welcome, and second line, God bless you. This is 8 character, this is 12 character. This is for the initialize purpose. This same data raise function is there. This is for command. This is for initialize. Then both are work as a output port, port B and port D. Then after that while 1. Then same as first welcome. After that give the command 0xC0 means after writing welcome, your cursor move from second line, starting of the second line with the help of this command. Then you have to display God bless you. After that terminate. Then build it. Same code is there, only this command difference is there. In this your cursor move from second line, starting of the second line. Your file name is LCD2. No. Zoom it. Double click. LCD2. Then OK. Then play. In first line is welcome. After that cursor move from second line, God bless you. Second line, God bless you. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much.